Alexa, turn on the laundromat. Yeah, that's nice. All right, guys, we are back at the laundromat. This is my laundromat, and this morning we are going to check and see how much the laundromat has made this week. We check the quarters and change out the quarters a couple times a week. It's been, I think, about 5 days since we've done this one, and we want to bring you along and show you exactly what we do to show you how this laundromat makes so much money. All right, so first thing I do is I get my buckets. Right here, we've got individual buckets, one for washers, one for dryers, one for soaps. And we're just gonna start dumping quarters. Zoom in here, see what we got. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, babe. Yeah, this is one of our biggest machines right here. This machine will hold 8 loads of laundry all at once. It's a $9 machine, but we run a special on Tuesdays and Thursdays. Everything in here is half price. Ooh, look at that. It's probably 150 bucks in quarters. Yeah. So you can get in close. These are the 300 machines. Look, they only hold 2 loads of laundry, but it's $3. So you can still come to this nice clean laundromat and get, entire load of 2 loads of laundry done for $3. Nothing to dry one in there. Oh, yeah. All right, let's go over here. As you saw in the beginning of the video, we've got the entire laundromat, ooh, nice, set up and being run by Alexa. I actually got that idea 4 years ago when we opened this laundromat from a YouTuber. His name is Hot Doggin' with Dan. You guys should check him out. Check out his laundromat, the way he sets it up. He's awesome, and he inspired me to set up my laundromat with Alexa just like that. Hot Doggin' with Dan. Shout out to Hot Doggin' with Dan. Now we're gonna do the dryers. Oh, we got these two guys right here. These are big money makers, okay? See, these are our T900s, 6 loads of laundry. Let's see what kind of quarters it's got. Oh, look at that. Oh, the money shot. Oh yeah, nice week in here. All right, now let's do the dryers. All right. Now with the dryers, you don't make as much, right? Because we're literally 50 cents to start this dryer and to dry for 5 minutes or something like that. 20 minutes is just a couple bucks. But you can see it does pretty good. This has been, 5 days of laundry. Nice. Look at that. So we got 30-pound stacks and 50-pound stacks. 50-pound stacks always do better. Same price for everything. People just want to put it in a bigger dryer. Also, these are right slam in the middle, if you look. Oh yeah, look at this. Woo. All right, so now we're gonna check our soap dispensers, right? It's always important to have soap dispenser. That way, when people come to your laundromat, it's a one-stop shop, right? They can just bring their clothes here. Oh, yeah. Let me put that in. Looks like it doesn't need filling up. All right, the next thing we've got to do is weigh the quarters out, right? How are you going to count $1,000 in quarters as quick as possible? This is what we use. This is actually a currency scale. All right, you can kind of see it, and what we'll do is set it for 25 cents. And then I use my little temporary bucket, and I put it on there, and I zero it out. So now our bucket weighs nothing. And let's start with our dryers. All right, dryer money weighs $290.50. There's 1,162 quarters at 25 cents. Let me pour them back in the bucket. All right, next, let's do our soaps. How much you think on the soaps? What's your guess? I'm guessing 50 bucks. Hey, $63.50. Not too shabby. All right, what did I say? $63.50. All right, now we're gonna do the washer machines. All right, this is $750. Woo! $712.50. Not too bad. All right, now let's pour them all back in here. All right, guys, let's add up all the money that we collected today. First, the washing machines collected $712.50, plus the dryers collected $290.50, plus we had $63.50 in soap sales, for a grand total of $1,066.50. All right, that's just for 4 or 5 days of running. Wasn't even a busy week. It's getting hot outside, people wearing less clothes, but that's what the laundromat makes. Every couple days, really cool, great investment, cool property to have. Also, an excellent cash business. So if you're interested in learning more about laundromats or businesses, things like that, real estate, I want you guys to follow me for more value. Send me a message. I'd love to connect with you and tell you how I bought this with no money out of my pocket, how we completely redid it, and how much money it makes. I'll see you guys on the next one, and I hope you enjoyed.